Shannon Veyro, she's an amazing woman for the fact that beyond years ago, she got certified with us. But then life happened.
As it tends to.
It does. And then nothing really happened. Then it was about 4 years later, she reconnected with us and said, I have to do this certification again. There's no way that I can even retain from 4 years ago. So I'm going to pay and do this certification again. Well, holy Toledo's. Now, the thing I love about Shannon is she is a little step at a time. She's not big and gets overwhelmed. She knew that she wanted this because this is her retirement and her goal. Through all of the years she's been doing it, she now has a huge contract with the Dream Center in her area, which is an organization that's helping men in recovery from addictions, drugs, alcohol, homelessness. Plus, years and years later, she's built her own little arena. So there's nothing fast about how Shannon has done it, but what Shannon has done is built such a strong foundation by having that support, the additional training that keeps supporting her to move on to her goal.
She never ever gave up. And the beautiful piece is she's got a wicked sense of humor to go along with things. So she always keeps it light, keeps it moving forward, and doesn't get discouraged. But again, that's when you have the support and the team to back you.